Hey guys, it's JQ, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about partial edge control. Now, what is partial edge control? Well, it's essentially just changing the way you insert your last F2L pair in order to get a better OLL case. Over the 57 different OLL cases, there's this subset of really annoying cases known as the dot cases. Sometimes you'll hear them be referred to as dot OLLs, and many others, but essentially it's where you have no edges oriented. And the algorithms for these OLLs are often quite long and difficult to memorize. But the good news is, you don't have to. If we just go back in time for a second to our last F2O pair, instead of inserting it normally, like so, and getting a dot OLL, we can insert it with this insert. R prime, F, R, F prime. And now we've already got two edges oriented, and this is a much easier OLL case. Furthermore, if you do two-look OLL, where you essentially do the OLL stage of CFOP in two steps, then this is especially helpful, since when you reach some kind of dot case, you're gonna have to do a few algorithms in order to solve the cross, and that's inefficient. So I hope that this little quick tip can help you guys improve your solving times and get more efficient OLL cases. And that's all I've got for today, and I'll see you guys next time.